1999 Honda CRV 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter B20B 4-cylinder. It does come with an automatic transmission. This CRV comes with 66,270 original miles. It does come with 4-door and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I do want to point out really quick that to open the trunk, you are going to have to push this, lift the window, and then open the door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to point out that this vehicle does come in kilometers right here, not miles. So that number that you're seeing there, 106,666, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 66,270. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle.